Hi, I'm Tania Jimenez. Part 2. The question. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Staff at the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidate should select one question only from each topic area. All new students had to be registered with Mr. Carl by the end of first day. Provided that all equipment has been correct and stored, students might leave the classroom. What type of company do the majority of its students work in after finishing their degree? Despite some initial misgivings, the new library has proved itself to be an excellent feature. Again, despite some initial misgivings, the new library has proved itself to be an excellent feature. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result worsen air pollution. Thank you.